Hi there, I'm back again with another video, and this time I'm going to show you where you can find a list of all your quotations and how you can read the quotation table. Let's get started. To find a list of all your quotations, you need to go to the administration module and click on quotes. And as you can see, this is a list of all my quotations. I'm going to explain you the most important columns, the ones that needed a little bit of explanation. So, accepted means which one of these quotations has been accepted by your client. Pending, bill, these are completely understandable. And over here we have status change, so it means when the status of the project has been changed and at what time. When is the due date, the signature date, so when the signature has been put on the quotation. Over here you're able to see if the mail has been sent, a quotation mail has been sent to your client or not, and when, at what time the email has been sent. Over here you're able to see if the client has opened the quotation email, and in this column you're able to see how many times they have actually opened the quotation. So very useful information, very helpful. In the next one, you can see what is the status of the quotation, if it's accepted, like it's concept, or finished. And over here, you'll see when it has been updated and by whom. On the left side, you have all these buttons over here. With this one, you can open the quote. By clicking on this, you will download the quotation. If you click on this one, you'll get a preview of the quotation. As you can see, this is the quotation. This one, you can generate a new generate an invoice, and by clicking on this one, you're able to see the signature. So this was it about where to find a list of all your quotations and how to read the quotation table. See you in the next video.